So, okay, I had a little bit of didn't think my plan all the way through. I was going to make this a dirty geode wine tumbler. Well, it looks great like this, but if you look inside, you can see through where I removed the paint. So I'm not happy with that. And I am being lazy. I don't want to strip it. So I thought, well, we'll just dirty pour right over it. So that's what I'm doing. I have my paints, just using white and pink parfait and Caribbean, all acrylic paints. I already have them in my little cups there. You can kind of see there right up to here on this line. That's how much I'm using. And I'm going to add some water to each one of them. Alright, so I got those stirred up. They're kind of texture of melted ice cream. Now I'm going to combine them all in a big cup. So I guess we'll start with blue first. Maybe I did mix them. Where you go? Okay. Let's mix the blue a little bit more. Alright. Then I left some of the blue in my cup. Just for later. And add the white. So I have them all together in this cup, and I still have my individual as well. Alright, so now we'll just pour it on there. Looks a little runny, huh? There we go. I just love watching it do that. Sit here all day. Just watch it run off the cup. Alright. So, now we'll just kind of push it off top so it doesn't just pool up there. So pretty. Okay. Didn't get very good coverage everywhere. That's why I have it in this bowl. I have my spoon. So we'll just ladle some on there. Trying to have you see and reach at the same time. Not the easiest task. Some over here. Right now I'm just trying to get all the spots it didn't get. And in a little while I'll worry a little more about pattern. The stuff in the bowl kind of all mixed together and made a whole different color. But that's okay. I have a reserve of the original colors that I can always put on there to get the look I want. It's storming here, so you might be able to hear it. Alright, so whole area is covered. Now, I don't really see much pink at all. Actually, pink is a light color. Well, don't want it to be overwhelmed, so putting a little bit of, what was it called? Caribbean on top, a little bit of pink, and a little bit of white, and goes stir stick, push it over. I think it makes cute patterns when you push it over the rim like that. Love it. Need a little bit more of those colors on the other side here. Some this way. And so I'm just gonna keep putting some on top and pushing it off until I get the look I want. Thanks for watching.